Hi, today I'm going to show you one really simple method to curve text in Inkscape. It is really useful method that I use as graphic designer, so I'm excited that I can share it with you. Okay, so first we need to create our text, so I will choose here the option text tool and I will create here a simple text. So for example, I will type here simple text. Now you need to select pen tool, so I click on it. And you need to select here create a B-spline path. So click on it. And now you need to create a rounded path. So I will click here, 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 and here. Okay, our path has been created. We need to select here selector tool. I click on it. And now I encourage you to change some color settings to make it simpler. So I will go to object and go to fill and stroke. So I click on it. So in the fill, you need to choose the white color. Perfectly choose it to 100. On the stroke paint, I encourage you to select here 0 on the black color. And on the stroke style, you need to set width about 0, something like 0.1. Okay, after that you need to select object and the text. And now you need to go to text and select here put on path. Now you need to select your text, so I click on it and go to object and choose here rise to top. And like you see, our object has been successfully rounded here. But if you want to edit the curve, you need to select the path and choose here the option node tool. Now you can modify the path to get effect that you want to get. Of course, it depends on your preferences and the goal that you want to achieve, yeah? So it is really simple, yeah? Okay, so it was a method that I use every day. If I helped you to do it, remember to like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos.